Hola chicas, so I'm just making a little video to show you just a few bits and pieces I want you to be working on over the next few days, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to page 155 in your red textbook. And if you'll see in the textbook, it's linked into that chapter on fiestas that we just finished up doing. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to have a look at this little orange box here, okay? Here it says, lee la siguiente conversación y completa los espacios en blanco con estas palabras. So you're filling in these gaps here, okay? I'm just going to go through the first words. The first we got here is tengo is I have. Favorito, favorite. Años is years. Como is how. Lectura is reading. Any of those words I put in black, I want you to put those into your vocab as well, okay? Grupo is group. Gusta, likes, remember me gusta, so that's singular. De can be off or it can be a possessive. Es is. Color is color. La is the. Te, so that's something to do with like reflexive, you do to yourself. Llamo, as you know, my name is, como me llamo, whatever, yeah. Tu is yours, and verde is green. I've just highlighted a few little things here. Cuando, when you see in the text here, is when. So cuando es something. So when is blank your birthday? Okay. Aburrida, let's make a note of that. Aburrido or aburrida is something that's boring. Okay. And la natación is swimming. Okay. La natación, swimming. Okay. Last little thing I've highlighted here as well is cuál. Cuál can mean like which or what. So here he's asking cuál es tu something favorito. Okay, what is something your favorite color? So maybe just fill those into your copies, okay? And just maybe make a note of the vocab that I've highlighted here in the black, on the black pen. If you don't have your textbook, just fill them in. You can use this video to fill it in, okay? Whenever you fill those into your textbook as well, I want you to fill in these, answer these questions, okay? So, what age is Gloria? When is her birthday? So her cumpleaños. What does she like? So que le gusta? What does she not like? So what does she no le gusta? And what is her color favorito? What is her favorite color? So just fill those into your copybook as well, okay? So that's the first thing I want you to do. So just read through those and fill them into your textbook, okay? So that's the first thing I want you to do, okay? The next thing I want you to do is we're having a look here. So also in this chapter, we've got some of la fruta y la verdura. So fruta is your fruit, y la verdura is your vegetables. All right. So on the left-hand side here, we've got all of our different fruta. We've frambuesas as your raspberries. Ardano. So aradano can mean two things. So aradano means in this sense here, they're blueberries. It also can also mean cherries. Okay, so aradano rojo is a cranberry, but an aradano in this sense here, I think they have it in here as a blueberry. Yeah, it can also mean cranberries. Okay, so rojo as an aradano rojo is a cherry. Un plátano is a banana. Una uva is a grape, and our obviously causes us debate. So it's in here in the fruta. Un tomate is a tomato. So that's your frutas, okay? Here we've got some of the verduras. We've got una patata is your potato. Un champiñón is your mushroom. Una aceituna is an olive. Un pimiento is a pepper. Una zanahoria is a carrot. And un ajo is a garlic or garlic. Yeah. So what I want you to also do is put this wherever you're keeping your vocab. So maybe put one section la fruta, fill them into your copybooks with your translation, and fill in the verduras as well. So fill in your vegetables as well. So do one section with your frutas, put the español y el inglés, and then with your verduras, maybe put in the español like the patatas, and write maybe potatoes aside. So I want you to fill that into your vocab copies as well. Okay. So just fill in the copy, okay? If you want, if you time, you can try filling in this comprehension here, okay? Don't try just maybe fill them into your textbook, okay? But don't worry too much about that, okay? That's what I want you to have a look at, okay? So just have a look at that there. Fill them in into your textbook as well. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll be able to do any of the listenings, but hopefully I'll be able to try and send you out a listening in the next few weeks. Okay. I'm just going to skip over the last little thing I want you to do is there's two things now. This is what I want you to do for homework for me. Okay. If you can do this in a Google Doc, okay? The first thing I want you to do is I want you to translate these 10 sentences. They're on page 158, 158, see? So first thing is I want you to translate those 1 to 10. So la mochila verde, el dormitorio pequeño, la casa blanca, los ojos azules, la chica guapa, okay? And it says los libros interesantes, las flores rosas, los chicos altos, el profesor simpático, el colegio grande. So first thing I want to use, I want you to try and translate those de español a inglés. I'll set this as an assignment in Google Classrooms now in a second, okay? So I'll set this as an assignment, but I want you to translate them from de español a inglés. Now, just be super careful, okay? If you see this blue box here, it says la posición de los adjetivos, so the position of adjectives. You always got to remember in Spanish, the adjective comes it kind of comes back to front, if that makes sense. Yeah. So say for this example, if you literally translate number one, so um, number one here is la, so the mochila is like your bag, green. So, but obviously in English we don't say the bag green, we say the green bag. So just be so careful on that there that you're putting the words in the correct order. Now, it's not too bad for when you're translating de español a inglés, but it's mucho más difícil. It's a lot more difficult when you're doing it from Spanish to English. Okay, so here's the second bit of the homework that I want you to send me. Okay, so expresa lo siguiente en español. So express these in Spanish. Okay, so here I want you to write them from de inglés a español, so from English to Spanish. Now, you have to be really careful here. These these translations here, you will be hitting them from English into Spanish, so the word order is going to change. So the first thing, if you look at number one, we'll do as an example. So it's the small cats. Okay, so we know the is los. Okay, now the next word you're going to have to translate here is cats. So we know cats is gatos. And the last word we're going to translate then is small. So this sentence is going to be los gatos pequeños. Okay? So los gatos pequeños. Be really careful too, because remember, the adjective has to agree with the gender. So is it masculine or feminine? And is it plural or not? Okay? So for instance, so gatos here is masculine, and there's more than one, so we have to add on a s to pequeños. Same here for number two. Yeah, so the yellow, so it's gonna be la, okay, we're doing translate flag, next la, bandera, and then yellow in Spanish is amarillo, yeah, but because flag is feminine, because it's bandera, we have to say la bandera amarilla, okay, so remember the adjective, which is the color here, has to agree with the gender and the number of the word before. So there's only one flag and it's yellow. So la bandera amarilla. Okay. Try those 10 there and see how you get on. Okay. I'll set that as an assignment, and please put it into Google Doc. Okay. Is that okay? If you have any questions, just send them to me on just post them. Okay. So hope everybody's well. Muchas gracias para escuchar, and we'll hablar pronto. We'll talk soon. Gracias, chicas.